Have you been seeing the Areliaa lipstick everywhere online lately? It's being promoted as a smart, almost magical lipstick that adjusts to your natural lip color and gives you the perfect shade every time. According to the claims, the Areliaa Signature Lipstick adapts to your lip tone, stays on even after coffee or meals, and keeps your lips soft and hydrated all day. It's also said to be dermatologist-tested, cruelty-free, and designed to give a flattering shade that works for any occasion. Sounds convenient, especially when they say one lipstick is enough for work, outings, and special moments. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when you look closer, some of these claims don't feel as strong as they sound. The idea that it adapts to your unique lip color sounds very personalized. But in reality, most of these lipsticks use a common dye, like Red 27. This dye reacts with moisture and usually turns into a similar pink shade on most people. The difference you notice mostly comes from your natural lip tone, not because the product is truly customizing itself. Another claim is that it's perfect for all skin tones. This is a very common marketing line, but it doesn't always match reality. These types of lipsticks don't adjust for undertones like warm, cool, or olive, which means the final color can look too pink or unnatural on some people. Then there's the promise of long-lasting wear, even through meals. That's quite a bold statement. In most cases, pH-based lipsticks last around 4 to 6 hours, and that too depends on the formula. Eating or drinking will naturally reduce the wear time, so expecting to stay perfect all day isn't very realistic. You might also see claims that there's no need to reapply, but honestly, that's not how lip products work. No matter how good the formula is, touch-ups are always needed after meals or drinks. Saying otherwise creates unrealistic expectations. The product also highlights hydration with ingredients like hyaluronic acid. While that sounds impressive, it can be misleading if the ingredient is only added in small amounts for marketing. It doesn't always guarantee deep or long-lasting moisture. Another thing is the color-changing magic. This may sound like new technology, but it's actually a very old concept in cosmetics. It's just a simple chemical reaction, not anything advanced or revolutionary. And when it comes to those thousands of 5-star reviews, it's always smart to be cautious. Reviews shown on product pages can be filtered, and if there are no strong independent reviews, it's hard to fully trust them. So overall, Areliaa lipstick doesn't seem like a complete scam, but it does appear to be heavily overhyped. It may work like a basic pH lipstick, but it's not as unique or advanced as the marketing makes it seem.